Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on your iPhone by installing ISH and preparing a minimal Alpine environment. Once installed, open ISH and run apt update, apt upgrade, then install Python 3 and Py3 pip so Yt-dlp can run. Next, create a dedicated folder, for example /root/it, so downloaded files stay organized and accessible. Make sure ISH has permission to write to files if you plan to move media later. This gets you from 0 to a working shell in minutes. You install Yt-dlp with pip3 install upgrade Yt-dlp and immediately confirm it with Yt-dlp version so you don't chase false errors. Once done, add ffmpeg via apt add ffmpeg or fetch a static binary. ffmpeg is required for format merging and conversions. Make sure network access is enabled for ISH, test with curl to a known page. After those steps, you can run a basic download command to validate the toolchain, and you'll understand why each component is needed. You perform downloads with a command like Yt-dlp fbistvideo plus bistadio/root/it/% title s %ext url, then use ffmpeg to merge if needed. Once files are saved, move them to photos or files with CP or MV, and remember to change ownership or permissions if ISH can't export. If something goes wrong, first check ISH permission and network, then update Yt-dlp and ffmpeg. If a specific format fails, run Yt-dlp ignore errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.